Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising at Venus signs, kamusta kayo? Sana ba nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan? Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Virgo. Tingnan natin, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay strength energy. Ayan. So, dito sa strength, maaaring kailangan ninyo ngayon magpakatatag, magpakatibay. Maybe merong sitwasyon siguro sa buhay ninyo na nangyayari na parang napapagod na kayo or napanghihinaan kayo ng loob. At minsan siguro naiisip ninyo na parang gusto ko nang sumuko, gusto ko nang tumigil, lumaban, 'di ba? Yung gano'n. Pero paalala ito sa iyo, Virgo, no? Na yung mga problema na yan, that's part of our life, no? It's part of our life, and that is still a blessing. Maraming, maraming magandang maidudulot ng mga problema na yan. Mas lalo kayong magiging matatag, resilient, mas magiging matibay ang inyong loob, di ba? Ano yan eh, yung mga problema na yan, challenges sa buhay, parte yan ng soul's journey natin. Mag-iiwan yan ng wisdom, mag-iiwan yan ng lesson sa atin na makakatulong din sa atin sa mga future natin, endeavor, no? Sa mga future journey natin. Kaya i-activate ninyo yung inner strength and courage. Huwag kayong sumuko, diba? Palakasin ninyo ang loob. Always pray, okay? Always pray for enlightenment, for guidance, no? At pasasaan ba? At malalagpasan nyo din kung ano man ang mga problema kung meron man. We have 9 of Pentacles. Look at that. This is you reaping the rewards of your hard work, of your labor. This is a period of prosperity and abundance. Virgo, this is financial success. There is wealth coming your way. Maaring meron kang pangarap, no, para sa pamilya mo. In terms of money, in terms of finances, no? Siguro, pangarap ninyo na magkaroon na kayo ng financial stability and security, no? At maaaring ito na magiging susi para dyan, Virgo. Merong paparating na pera, no, sa inyo rito, and this is bunga ng inyong pagsisikap. At ito ay ikakasaya ninyo, no? This is a celebratory energy. So this is a time for success, no? Financial success, definitely dahil may perang paparating. This is also a time for prosperity and abundance, no? Harmony within family. So, enjoy ninyo to kasi baka meron din kayong reunion sa pamilya, merong pagtitipon, merong kikita-kita rito na magkakamag-anak. And maybe your immediate family, no? So, siguro, meron din kayong, meron ditong family reunion, maybe because you are celebrating something, or baka you're celebrating Christmas, no, together. Maaring ganon ang ganap dyan. There could be wedding as well. Baka merong kasalan, merong engagement party, family gatherings dito for what are other reasons, no? So, enjoy ninyo yan. We have the star. Wow, wishes are coming true, Virgo. Wishes are coming true. So, napakaganda. Kasi meron kayong mga wish dito. Hindi lang isa, kundi wishes. Marami yan na maaaring mag-come to fruition na sa ngayon. So, this is really a beautiful energy. You know? So, just keep, focusing on positivity. Okay? Project positive attitude, positive mindset. Nang sa gayon, maano talaga kayo, ma-attract talaga ninyo magagandang energies na to towards you, at ito yung mga mangyari sa buhay ninyo. Walang maging sagabal na, no? So, this is a time for contentment, new hope. This is healing. There's a lot of inspiration coming your way, no? Renewal, new beginnings, no? So, napakaganda. And you will be shown the way, Virgo. No? You will be shown the way. You're guided, divinely guided, guarded, kaya napaka-blessed ninyo. What else? We have Ace of Swords. This is also an tagumpay. So, kung ano man yung pinoproblema ninyo sa ngayon, no, you are going to rise above your situation. Kapag tatagumpayan ninyo yan, you're going to claim your victory dito. Virgo, kung may problema, malalagpasan ninyo yan. Definitely, you'll be able to find solution to that. You'll be able to find a way out to the challenging situations na pinagdadaanan ninyo. Magkakaroon kayo ng mental clarity. Magkakaroon kayo ng new ideas, new inspiration rito, no? Sabi ko sa'yo kanina, you will be shown the way. At pay attention to your intuition, yun din pinakamahalaga, because that is guidance from the divine. Ituturo sa inyo, ililid kayo ng inyong intuition to where you need to be. Okay? Kaya, pay attention kayo sa inyong intuition. Pay attention kayo sa inyong psychic abilities, kasi maaring meron din kayong mga sign, symbol, synchronicities na mabipick up dyan, and that is guidance as well, vision, yung ganon, no? So, definitely you're going to succeed, no, sa paglaban sa hamon ng buhay, kung ano man ang kinakaharap ninyo sa ngayon. Okay? We have the sun. Holy moly, Virgo, this is really beautiful. So this panahon talaga ito ng inyong success, panahon ng wish fulfillment, panahon ng success, no? Napakaganda. Pag pumasok si sun sa energy, sa reading, no, everything will go well. Makakaasa kayo na things are going to fall into its right places, and definitely you will feel happy, joyful, 'di ba? And successful, no? So this is really a time for success sa lahat, no? Almost sa lahat ng bagay. Kaya yung good fortune and good luck nito, babalutin rin kayo nito. Kaya walang mintes, no? Dito yung magagandang pangyayari. Maring mabisi kayo at this time, because there's a lot of positive changes coming your way. But regardless, no, magiging maganda pa rin ang inyong pakiramdam. Your vitality, your physical strength will be back. Kung may mga paghihinang nararamdaman. So this is such a beautiful energy. This is positive energy na babalot sa inyo, Virgo. We have 9 of Wands. Ayan, may travel. Siguro kayo, Virgo. Maybe drive ito. Long drive kayo. And there's a lot of new ventures coming your way talaga, no? You're definitely going to be on the move. You're going to take action dito, no? Siguro there's a lot of excitement na mararamdaman kayo sa ngayon. So good luck. What else? We have 7 of Swords. Mag-iingat din kayo, no? Mag-iingat kayo kasi sa lahat ng kagandahan ng mga pangyayari sa buhay ninyo, sa lahat ng successes na ito, mayroong mga tao sa paligid ninyo na ang lakas ng inggit, no? Ang lakas ng inggit. Maaaring they are watching you at all times, no? At minamasdan kayo, binabantayan ang mga bawat galaw ninyo, at there could be deceptions and lies, cheating, yung ganon. Kaya mag-iingat kayo. Be careful with whom you talk to. Be careful with what you share with other people. At maging mapagmatsyag. Okay? Maging mapagmatsyag kayo. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.